Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. Hey, we're on our way to check out a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 4033 Carlsbad Drive. Great location on the east side of McCulloch, so it's real quiet up here. This one was just reduced to $599,850. Just here for a client, checking it out, trying to get some better pictures. Nice area again. Got a new house going in up there. No junk around. Have a little bit of gated side parking, but doesn't look like it's wide enough for an RV. Got some front parking on the street. Nice tile roof. Let's go on in and check it out. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1993, 1,733 square feet. Sits on your standard 10,454 square feet. Oh, I'm sorry, 1,000 square feet. Vaulted ceilings, open living. This is a split floor plan. So you have the master on one side, guest bedrooms on the other. Little eat-at, kitchen counter. All right, let's go check out the master. So you got your door to the garage, your laundry, and your master basically behind the kitchen. Real good size master. Carpets could use a cleaning. So you got a huge walk-in closet. So you got a pretty big master, has dual vanities, tile counters. There's a pretty big walk-in shower with dual heads. Let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so you have 2 guest bedrooms on the other side of the house. Bedroom number 2 at the rear of the house. Got your guest bath. Bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. So you have your indoor laundry right off the kitchen on the way to the master in the garage. All right, so you have a 3-car garage. Has 20-foot bays on the 2-car side and a 31-foot boat deep bay. Both doors are insulated, standard 7 feet. Here's your boat deep side. This house would make a nice little flip, just a little bit of updating, and it would be pretty nice looking. You have your hot water, your loop for your soft water, RO system set up. All right, let's go check out the pool. All right, so you got a nice little backyard setup. We did get a little bit of rain overnight in Havasu, so there's some leaves and stuff in the pool. We do enjoy the rain overnight. So the cool deck looks like it was just redone. I don't see one crack at all in it. Pool looks like it's in pretty good condition. I don't see any popping or cracking. Nice little hot tub. Little umbrella hole over here. Pop-up cleaners. Little grass area. You don't see that too often in Havasu. You have your little gated side access. Again, doesn't look wide enough with the eave hanging off to get an RV back here, but you could definitely get a trailer or boat. So you have your propane tank to heat the pool and spa, all your pool equipment. Looks a little bit older, so the pool was probably replastered recently because it looks newer. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Carlsbad. Again, this is a great little area. It was just reduced to $599, $850. It is a little bit rough around the edges, a little bit of carpet and paint, and this thing could be something pretty nice. Anyways, I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can get all the pictures, current price, availability. I'll also put my contact information right below this video as well. So if you guys have any questions about it, or if there's anything I can do to help, always feel free to reach out. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.